Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to delete Facebook conversations. So open the Messenger app. Now find the conversation you want to delete. Then press and hold the conversation just like so. Then tap delete and tap on delete again to confirm the action and the conversation will be deleted. Now if you're on Facebook website, you can go to Facebook and open Messenger. Then hover over to the conversation, then click the three dots next to it, then select delete chat and confirm the deletion. Now, if you want to only delete a specific message, you can open the chat. So, open the chat or the conversation, press and hold the message, and click on delete. You can also select multiple messages, just like so, and click delete again. So choose delete for everyone or delete for you. So delete for everyone, and that's it. So those messages were deleted. So deleting a conversation removes it only from your account unless you select for everyone. So the other person will still have the conversation unless they delete it too. If you only want to hide a conversation, you can archive it instead of deleting it. And once deleted, you generally cannot recover the conversation from Messenger. And that's it.